triangle ABC, D and E trisects BC, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Prove that 8AB AE square, which is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Right? So now consider triangle ABC with angle B, which is equal to 90 degree. So ABC, right angle at B. Given D and E trisect BC. So D and E trisects BC, right? Join AD and AE. Join AD and AE. Here D and E trisects means the distance BD is equal to the distance EC, right? That is the distance DE. BD DE EC is equal to BC by 3. Trisects means 1 by 3 of the total length. Bisects means 1 by 2 of the total length, right? So DE trisects the side BC. So the distance BD is total length BC by 3, and the length DE is the total length by 3, right? From the right angle triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, which is equal to AB square plus BC square. This implies AB square, which is equal to AC square minus BC square, equation number 1. From the right angle triangle ABD, AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. So that is equal to AB square can be written as AC square minus BC square from equation number 1 plus BD square, right? So this implies AD square is equal to AC square minus BC square, but BD, the distance is BC by 3, right? So BC by 3 the whole square, right? The BD length is BC by 3, right? This implies AD square, which is equal to AC square minus BC square, squaring numerator and denominator separately. So you will get BC square by 9. 3 square 9. Therefore AD square, which is equal to AC square. Then grouping minus BC square plus BC square by 9. LCM is 9. So cross multiply minus 9 BC square plus BC square in the numerator divided by 9. Minus 9 BC square plus BC square, that is 1 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1. So you will get minus 8 BC square by 9. Right? This implies 8 by 9 BC square, taking that minus 8 by 9 BC square to the other side of the equality. So 8 by 9 BC square. Bring the AD square to the right side of the equality. So you will get AC square minus AD square. This implies BC square equal to, so 8 by 9 will go to the other side of the equality, then it will become 9 by 8, reciprocal, right? 9 by 8 into AC square minus AD square, that is equation number 2. From the right angle triangle ABE, right? By Pythagoras theorem, AE square equal to AB square plus BE square. That is AB square plus BE, the distance is nothing but the total length BC, right? Minus EC, right? The small length. So from the side BC of the triangle, you will get BE, the length BE is BC minus EC. See? Right? So AB square plus BC minus EC the whole square, right? So this implies AE square equal to AB square plus BC, but EC is nothing but BC by 3, right? Because trisected now, so that is why we are getting EC, the length is BC by 3, right? So BC minus BC by 3 the whole square, right? Though AE square, which is equal to AB square plus taking LCM 3BC minus BC by 3 the whole square. This implies AE square is equal to AB square plus 3 minus 1, 2 BC by 3 the whole square. So squaring numerator and denominator separately. So you will get AB square plus 2 square 4 BC square by 3 square 9. Therefore AE square, which is equal to AB square, we know from equation number 1, AC square minus BC square. So replacing, so AE square, which is equal to AC square minus BC square plus 4 BC square by 9. So AE square, which is equal to AC square. So grouping, LCM is 9. So minus 9 BC square plus 4 BC square by 9, right? So AE square equal to AC square. 4 minus 9, you will get minus 5. Minus 5 BC square by 9. Therefore AE square, which is equal to AC square minus 5 by 9. But BC square is, see from equation number 2, BC square is equal to 9 by 8 AC square minus AD square. Replace BC square by that. So from equation number 2, you will get 9 by 8 AC square minus AD square. So this implies AE square, which is equal to AC square, multiplying by 5 by 9. 5 by 9 into 9 by 8 AC square minus AD square. So 9 and 9 get cancelled. So you will get AC square minus 5 by 8 AC square. Then next term minus of minus plus, right? 5 by 8 AD square. 8 is common LCM on the right hand side. So in the numerator you will get 8 AC square, right? Cross multiply because 8 is the LCM, right? 8 AC square minus 5 AC square, because we are grouping AC square common, because we are having AC square minus 5 by 8 AC square, right? So grouping these two, taking LCM, 8 AC square minus 5 AC square by 8 plus the second term 5 by 8 AD square. Therefore AE square, which is equal to 8 minus 5, 3 by 8 AC square plus 5 AD square. So again 8 is common LCM on the right hand side. So which is equal to 3 AC square plus 5 AD square by 8. So cross multiplying the 8 or multiply by 8 on both sides. So 8 AE square is equal to 3 AC square plus 5 AD square, which is to be proved. Thanks. We'll see you.